What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to get your custom shapes back in Photoshop or where you can find them. So while I was editing a video I noticed that my Photoshop was missing for some reason because I got a new subscription. So I re-downloaded the app and now when I opened it I lost all my custom shapes. So what you want to do is you want to go to the shape tool, right click on this and press custom shape tool. And now the only thing I got is flowers, trees and all this other bullshit. So what I did to get it back is you want to go to window. On window you press shapes. While you're at shapes you left click on this thing over here. Then you go legacy shapes and more. And over here are all your custom shapes. So over here are all your 2019 shapes that you've downloaded before. It's all grouped in different folders, so it will show you all your shapes. I'll go right through it. And over here as well, you can see they're back now. So this is how you get all your custom shapes back in Photoshop, and now you can start working with your custom shapes again. Thanks for watching.